Introduction to Ingenuity, Topic 2, Navigating. The learning objectives for this topic are to understand the different components on the screen. When it opens, you'll see in the top left a logo. If you click this, it will always take you back to your home page. And then next to this, you have buttons for Spaces, People and Create. These allow you to navigate to a different space, either your personal one or one created. Here, by clicking People, you can find the people that are in your organization and have access. And then if you click the Create button, this is what we'll use later to create content. And then in the center here, we have the fixed menu. This gives you quick access to certain pages, can be in any space from within your instance of Ingenuity. And then over on the right, we have some standard controls. Starting with search, this lets you find any content within Ingenuity, so this is a content search. Then we have some settings buttons and notifications where you can see where you've been notified. On the right hand side, we have a menu related to your personal administration. Underneath this, there's the buttons to edit the page, save your content for later, like starring it, and you can also watch pages and spaces as well. So if you want to get notifications when things are updated. The share button we'll see later in a worked example, and the three dots, this gives you access to key functions like the ability to move, copy and delete pages, which can be very useful. On the right hand side, we have the sidebar. Now this is user configurable. It can contain things like an automatic link to every page in the space, but down the bottom, if you have permissions in a space or in your own personal space, you can configure the sidebar using this button here. So here we can add links to useful pages, and they don't have to be in Ingenuity, they can be anywhere, or you can reorder content that's there or decide what's shown. Then in this main screen, you see the content of the page, and this is what will be created by users. And then on the right hand side, we have two buttons that are specific to Ingenuity. The first cogwheel gives you access to some high level functions like default settings, but also some user tools like a query tool, managing subscriptions to reports, the user limits so you can see everything configured. Then we've got things like the default time span that trends will open till, and if you want to embed links to things. And finally, we've got the shopping basket. This allows you to gather information for use later, so you can gather time series and assets, and you can save baskets and load them back again later, so you can save sets of useful information for later. Then down the bottom we have a tag, so you can add tags to a page. This makes it easy to find them later because this content search will also look at tags. So you might tag it with an incident number. And then at the bottom left you have the social and sharing tools. So here you can comment on a page. You could write comments. Other people who are watching that page or who have commented will get notified that there's a comment, and this lets you collaborate together. Okay, that's the end of that module. Hope that was useful. Look forward to seeing you in the next.